crude oil today again showed a little bullishness here. First of all, the downside support have proven out to be very strong at 71. We have seen oil struggling at 71, and we have seen a good rise all the way towards 71.8. But again, 71.6, 72 zone is offering it a little bit of resistance. While natural gas is trying to give up a little, what we had seen a good rise yesterday is now trying to erase some of the gains. It is now moved towards 4.08. What to expect now from oil and gas? Can we expect this trend to continue? Can we expect oil to rise more and gas to trade bearish, or there is a possibility of bullishness here? What is going to be our strategy in order to profit trading oil and gas? We're gonna see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the second update for the day, and this is the only channel to give you 2 updates a day with detailed analysis and logical levels. Subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share and comment, join the free telegram channel for live updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start first to look into US crude, followed with net gas. First is the oil on the hourly chart. See, it is formed a wick here. It is trying to reverse 71.6. 71.8 is the zone it needs to break in order to confirm the bullish breakout here. See, or rather I'll say 71.6, 72 is the zone it needs to confirm for a bullish breakout. Right now, you can see after this good rise, it is consolidating here, and a drop below 71 is the only confirmation of further bearishness here. If you see the stochastic, this is rising. The MACD has crossed over here, trading with divergence, looking downwards, staying bearish. See, it has seen a good rise and it is now looking downwards, which is a slight bearish sign here. RSI has dropped as well. Coming to 2 hour, similar is the observation here on the 2 hour chart. So now in fact, if you see oil trading above 71.6, you can buy and expect it to move towards 72, and if it breaks beyond 72, stay bullish for 72.4, 72.5, and beyond this is where you can expect the bulls to take over. What is happening here? See, after this good bullish move, it is waiting for the 20 period to climb, and it is also possible that it can move towards 20 period, take a support there, which suggests 70.4, 70.6 should be a good support, and then $70 levels should be the ultimate support if it starts to move downwards. Stochastic looking downwards. See, MACD after a stronger rise is now trying to converge here. The crossover here may lead to slight retracement, because see, we have seen a stronger divergence, and now it is trying to cross over. This could lead to slight price drop. RSI is looking downwards, trying to suggest slight bearishness. On the 3 hour charts, if similar is the observation on the 3 hour charts, look at the top side here. A very good resistance is offered here. It tried to break out, failing to do so. It is now looking downwards, and this could be a red formation where it can break below 71. And now if you see it is staying below 71, chances are high that we may see it also moving towards 70.4, 70.6 zone, which should be ideally a very good support zone. Stochastic looking downwards. The MACD is sharply bullish. It is trying to converge. It is not yet crossed over. The RSI is looking downwards, signs of slight bearishness here as well. Coming to the 4 hour. Now see, on the 4 hour charts, after the good rise, it is shown a swing here, and now the current candle is starting on a bearish note, which suggests that this could become the reversal, and the current candle might take the prices lower. In fact, there is a possibility that it can move towards 70.4, 70.6, or in fact $70 levels. Now 70 is the ultimate support here, and as long as now 70 and 69 zone is not taken, we are not going to treat oil as bearish. This is pretty clear. Though also notice that it has almost breached this bullish channel in which it is trading, and it is on the verge of confirming a reversal, because we know that once it trades beyond 73, it is going to lead to a stronger rally on the upside. The moving averages on the 4 hour charts have crossed over. This is certainly a good bullish sign, but the larger a rise, the possibility of a retracement before it leads to another round of rise here. The stochastic overbought here. The MACD is divergent and bullish, trying to converge a bit. RSI just coming out of the overbought zone. Coming to the daily. Now on the daily charts, you can see a big bullish candle yesterday, and after a long time it has given such candle. Also, it is now putting pressure on the bands to expand. So possibility exists that it may try to deliver a very narrow range bound movement throughout the day, and it also might put a pressure on bands to expand. And once tomorrow with the inventory data may give a breakout here on the upside, this possibility exists strong. However, we have to watch out with caution. Where it closes today is going to be of prime importance. If it closes somewhere here between 70 and 69, possibility of more bearishness tomorrow exists strong. However, I will again say only reversal confirmation in crude oil is if it trades below 69. As long as 69 is not taken, we have to be careful with the sells. Stochastic rising, the MACD divergent and bullish, the RSI comfortable. So now we have seen the charts and indicators. Time for me to provide the levels. And before I provide you the levels, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. The next batch starts on 5th of May. Yes, there was a bit of gap in between our batches, and now we are resuming it on 5th of May. Do not miss this opportunity. Reach out to me for queries. Also, if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email, ping me or Telegram for your queries. If you're looking forward to a broker which offers you a step-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now the point here is where to buy. Very clear. If you see oil trading above 71.6, when you see the lower price above 71.6, initiate a buying entry and wait for it to break beyond 72. Now this complete zone between 71.6 and 72 is definitely going to offer a critical resistance here. Beyond 72 is where the bulls will take over. You can expect it to move all the way towards 72.4, 72.5 first target, and then beyond this the chances will be high that 73.6 and 75 levels will be there very very soon, if not today. On the downside, there is a selling entry available at $71 levels, but then I will say you have to exercise extra caution as long as now 70.4, 70.6 zone is not taken. That is the first important support. $70 levels the next, and if 70 is taken, I think the bearishness will prevail there. Then you can expect 69.3 and $69 levels as the next targets. Chances for such a strong reversal appears less. I do not expect it to erase the gains from yesterday's candle. It may do it partially but not completely. So I will say till 70, do or exercise extra caution here. Prices may bounce back from there. Take your positions accordingly. Let's move to natural gas. What's happening with natural gas hitting the highs here? See, again 4.26, 4.3 zone, offering it a greater resistance. I have touched base several times that it is only above 4.3. Natural gas should be treated as bullish. What has happened? A good drop, then a retracement. Now again a drop. So this is trying to create this nice bearish channel. Where are the lows here? The lows for this channel are all the way towards $4 levels, and bearishness or a reversal confirmation in nat gas is only and only if it trades below 3.9. As long as it respects 3.9, do not trade this as bearish. Also notice it is almost forming a base here, and this could lead to a bounce back as well. And thus if you see any point of time net gas trading above 4.18, 4.2 zone is stay bullish. Now let's have a further look. See, stock IC here is oversold. The MACD is trading sharply bearish, looking downwards. The RSI has dropped sharp as well. Coming to 2 hour, on the 2 hour chart, similar observation here, drop, retracement and drop here again, and it is looking downwards. The resistance here on the upside pretty strong. We have to wait for it to stay above 4.18, 4.2 zone. Else what's happening? Drop, retracement, drop, lower lows there. Lower lows means it is possible that we may see natural gas trading below 4.05. 4.0504 should be a very good support, and $4 levels the ultimate one. Any drop below $4 levels is a clear sign of more bearishness prevailing here. Then what should be considered as drop, retracement, though it has come out of this bearish channel and it should ideally hit higher, but right now it is looking downwards. It is trying to fall back within the channel. If it breaks below 4, you can say natural gas is turning sharply bearish. Stochastic at bottom, the MACD has crossed over here, trading with divergence, is staying bearish, looking downwards. This reflects that there is a possibility of a retracement all the way towards 4.05, $4 levels. RSI has dropped sharp as well. On the 3 hour charts, if you look at, the observation is more or less same. Where is the current candle going to close? That is going to be of prime importance here. Moving averages crossing over here is certainly a good sign for the bulls. Also notice this is how it has been trading here. Every rise offset with a retracement, a breakout beyond 4.18, 4.2 is a clear sign of reversal. The stochastic looking down, see MACD also crossing over here. It's a sign of slight bearishness. Let's watch out if it continues to retrace from here. RSI looking downwards. Coming to 4 hour charts, when you look at 4 hour charts, on the 4 hour charts, the observation is more or less same. Prices have just kissed a 20 period moving average. After this drop consolidation, it is continuing with further downside. If you see the higher price below 4.08, you can take a sell, expect 4.0504 as an achievable target, and then below that $4 levels. Only below 4 you should treat net gas as bearish, else it could bounce back. It is trading under this retracement or reversal channel, and it could bounce back strong. Be mindful of this. If you see the stock IC, this is right now trading bearish. The MACD is trying to cross over for sell. It is not yet crossed over though, and also it is coming after a good bottoming here, so this may continue to rise. RSI is looking downwards. Coming to the daily, on the daily chart, similar observation, increasing body size, increasing bearishness. Yesterday's candle, a swing candle, it has also filled the gap what we had seen towards the beginning of the week, and now it is trading lower. We have to wait for it to stay below the 20 period moving average, which suggests below 4.08 you can take a selling entry, but then be cautious for 4.05 and $4 levels. Below 4 is where slight bearishness might prevail. I will say too early to conclude that it is reversed, because see, this was the bearish channel, it has come out of this channel, and such breakouts generally confirm that it may move towards the highs here all the way towards 4.6. Let's watch out how it behaves today and tomorrow. The stock IC is overbought. MACD trying to converge it after a good retracement. It is waiting for a crossover here, and the RSI looking downwards. So considering this, say ideally, buying entry today in net gas is only and only if you see it is staying above 4.18 levels, where you can expect 4.24, 4.3. And if 4.3 is taken, stay bullish for 4.5 levels and 4.6 levels very soon in the near future. Rather, I'll say 4.4 to 4.4 should be the first target, 4.5 the next, and 4.6 level should appear here. However, today it appears it is going to be difficult for net gas to show such a swing. But yes, these are markets, anything and everything is possible. On the downside, you can sell here at 4.08, expect 4.0504 as the first target and $4 levels at the next. Below 4 is where you can expect more bearishness to prevail. Take your trades, take your positions accordingly, like, share, subscribe and comment, join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel, reach out to me for your queries, join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. See you again tomorrow with the Asia and Europe session with more updates. Do not miss to watch it. Thank you.